Bitcoin is pumping. You guys know what that means. It's almost altcoin season. First altcoin season of the year coming very soon. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience. If you want to trade crypto, by the way, hit up where I'm trading at, Phemex. It is my exchange of choice. The only exchange actually I use. My only exchange sponsor here on the channel. So definitely a big shout out to Phemex. If you guys want to sign up, QR code on screen, link in the description. I know I started off with a link. I never do that. But I did do it this time. Because we're going to be talking about altcoin season. And we're going to be talking about why I believe that this is going to be happening very soon. This will be the first kind of mini major alt run that we have during this bull run, which I believe has already started. We are going to see a run up leading into the halving. Now, I saw a good chart that kind of showed the altcoin season cycles and how they happen. It's actually something I think now that this is our third cycle with altcoins, we can start trying to draw some conclusions with the way that in general the altcoin market has moved. But the thing is that I saw a chart and it kind of showed that we should really in the month in March, February and March, we should really hit that first parabolic run of altcoins. Once we hit the halving, it'll probably subside, come back down, but that should be coming in the next 3 to 6 weeks, I believe. So right now you should really be thinking about, packing some bags, I guess you can say, with what you want to be accumulating. Because once that first altcoin season starts, first altcoin run starts, you may not ever retrace back below those numbers for the rest of this bull cycle. So it may be a good time to get some high leverage lucky longs. You know what I'm saying? Potentially. But I think that the timing of all this is very interesting because the halving will probably be the beginning of April, it looks like. Maybe the first week of April, maybe April 7th or 8th, maybe. And maybe right now it's showing like the 15th or 18th, whatever. Pretty close. I do have an incredible video coming for you guys on the Bitcoin cycles. Not just video series. I've already got 4 of them written. I'm going to probably be there's probably be 8 videos in this series about the Bitcoin halving. And guys, remember this. I know a lot of you guys don't love Bitcoin, but you have to understand the Bitcoin halving is what determines what happens with altcoins. So if you really want to invest in altcoins, understand the best time to get in, make sure that you know what's going to happen with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is what leads the market still, and the halving is the event that does it. So as we head into this halving, there's a lot at stake. And another thing that you can find at stake is an account. If you head on over to the QR code on the screen or link in the description, our channel sponsor is Stake. You can create an account there because everybody knows Armstrong Crypto X Show, that's right guys, is powered by Stake. We love those people. Get a free account today. Sign up. It's the world's largest social casino. You got games, you got chat, all kinds of stuff. Sign up today. And guys, we also had another big thing that happened along with the price movement and the pump today that we're seeing. One interesting thing is the New York Attorney General, Letitia James, has now expanded their case against Digital Currency Group. That includes the Winklevoss twins are tied in through Gemini. And this could be a big deal, guys, because if you didn't know, Digital Currency Group, I've demonstrated this strongly on this channel, it has strong Chinese ties, And I'm not saying strong Chinese ties in a racist way. No, we love the Chinese people, definitely. I have zero, I want people to understand this, zero feelings towards Chinese people. I think people from China, everyone I've ever met has been great. But what I'm saying is the Chinese government. So when we talk about Chinese, we're talking about the Chinese government, the CCP. The CCP, through a Hong Kong tycoon, namely Ka-shing, invested in and pretty much built Digital Currency Group, starting with Second Markets or Genesis Markets. There's another company there in the middle, Digital Currency Group, the whole 9. Okay, so now what you're seeing is Letitia James, Attorney General from the Southern District of New York, she's going to be putting pressure on the Winklevoss twins and Barry Silbert for what was going on there at the Digital Currency Group. CoinDesk, by the way, was owned by Digital Currency Group. CoinDesk just got bought by Bullish Global. And Bullish Global, of course, also has connections. Same connections, the same people from the Chinese government and their affiliations, Chinese organized crime, the whole thing. So let's see what happens there, because I think there's a lot of wrongdoing that's been done in that Digital Currency Group, and I hope it all comes out. So all right, guys, there's something up there. It's a plane, I think. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. We've got a new Discord server. We'll put the link down below if you guys want to come join the Ben Armstrong X Discord. Want to hit that up? Hey guys, hit the like button on your way out. Helps keep the lights on.